Hey guys, this video is all about how to submit a link, a URL link, into Canvas for an assignment that you need to upload, specifically a link from a Google Doc. So one of the assignments from April 27th to May 1st asks for you to upload the link, the URL to your Google Doc into Canvas for me to grade it. So I want to just walk you through what that looks like. So I'm going to find the assignment for April 27th through May 1st. And then here's the instructions. Hopefully you read through those for the week. And then you're going to create your copy of your Google Docs. You're just going to click make a copy. You can change the title up here to have your name in it or to just leave it alone. Your name shows up when you submit the assignment, so it's totally fine. You're going to click in the Google Doc, type in all of your answers. You can just type right in there. If you want to change the font or the color, you can definitely do that. Just make sure it's something that I can read. Remember, I have old lady eyes and I've been staring at a computer a lot. Once you've finished answering all 10 questions, then you're ready to submit your assignment. So you're going to go up here to this blue button that says share and you're going to click it. Okay, I'll show you that one more time because I'm not sure if the cursor showed up. Right here, this blue button, you're going to click share. Right now, you're the only one that has access to it. Up here in the top, you want to click Get Shareable Link. When you click that, this blue link is going to already be highlighted. Please go ahead and change this so that I can at least comment on your document. You can make it so I can edit it as well. Then you're going to click this button that says Copy Link. So click the Copy Link button, and then you're done. You've copied the link, you have what you need. You're going to go back to your Canvas page, and at the top up here, you're going to click on Submit Assignment right here. So click Submit Assignment, and then down here, you're going to look for the second tab that says Website URL because you're submitting a URL, a link to that document that you created. So you're going to click on that, and then in this little box where it asks for the website URL, you just put your cursor in there, and then you're going to hit Control V to paste that into the little box that's provided. After that, you just hit Submit Assignment, and I now have access to your copy of the Pompeii video worksheet or whatever Google Doc it is that you typed in and submitted. Hopefully that was helpful, and I look forward to reading your work. Thanks.